This is the storm of June 23rd. It's a Wednesday. It's about 6:15 at night. There's all kinds of warnings out. And 4 days ago we got whacked by one. It took out a big limb on the tree in the back. And at $1,000 repair bill, I'm gonna step back before the avalanche of rain. Big thunder now. The main cell right now is in Woodridge and should get here in about 10 minutes or so. You could hear in the distance all kinds of sirens going off. And the wind's picking up. And here it comes. Alright, here comes the rain. Alright, it's now 6:15. This is the rain coming down. The storm is here. Let's see what we get. Trees are blowing all over the place. It's like a monsoon. Stepping back. Oh, there goes a big branch right now. Here, we'll zoom up on it. That came off our front left tree. Sirens are going off. Alright, this is 5 minutes later. It's June 23rd, Wednesday. The amount of rain is back down, but the amount of lightning and thunder is tremendous. Here again is the branch that broke when I was recording. Let's see if we could zoom up a little bit. It's petty Annie, but at least it's not like the winds of the other day. There's a good thunder clap. Now the rain is kind of on the light side. We're going to get started.